Founded in November 2001, Sino-Truck International, the wholly owned subsidiary of China National Heavy Duty Truck Group Company Limited, Sino-Truck, is the only official window of Sino-Truck's foreign trade. Sino-Truck produced China's first heavy-duty truck in 1960, and it is also the major exporter in the country and famous manufacturer of heavy-duty trucks in the world. Sino-Truck has a national-only heavy-duty truck engineering and technology research center, the national-level corporate technical center, and the testing laboratories recognized by China National Accreditation Board for Laboratories CNACL. It has capability in R&D and testing of vehicles, engines, parts and components, materials and techniques, while owning various high-end sophisticated equipments for processing, experimenting, and testing. Sino-Truck was designed and constructed to reach leading level in China and advanced level in the world. At the same time, it fully presents high-tech and intelligent production philosophy while strictly executing the first-class quality control and management standards in the world. The production lines are equipped with automated, precise and efficient equipment for assembly, commissioning, and online testing. After the vehicles roll off the line, they will be tested historically to ensure the best quality. In 2009, it was exclusively licensed by MAN AG of Germany to manufacture in China vehicles, engines and axles that adopt MAN technologies. Sino-Truck has established 69 representative offices and administrative offices around the world. The products are exported to more than 110 countries and regions, ranking #1 in China's heavy truck industry for truck exportation in 14 consecutive years.